Got buttermilk? Hey y'all, welcome to Dora's Garden once again. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to do a 3-strand tentacle. Gotcha. So I'll be showing you how to do a 3-strand twist. Okay. They're actually very easy to do to my surprise. So if you would love to learn, stay tuned. Alright, so you're going to start off with 3 strands. Going counterclockwise, you are going to take the right strand and bring it all the way over to the left. And then you're going to take your right hand and grab the middle piece from underneath and pull it to the right. Okay? And then you're going to take the middle strand with your left hand and bring it over to the left. And then you're going to grab the middle strand with your right hand from underneath and bringing it to the right. And that is the motion. Okay? And you want to make sure that you pull it a little snug so the twist will be tight. Okay? So you're going to grab with your right hand the middle strand going underneath to your right, and then you're going to grab the middle strand with your left hand going over to the left. And then you continue this process, and your main focus is just grabbing the middle strand. Okay? It's easy to remember. Left over, right under. Grabbing the middle strand. Continue doing the same motion, and then as you get down to the end, you can combine 2 strands together and then regular 2-strand twist, and then do a little coil at the end to secure the twist, and you're good to go. Notice with the first twist, the root is tighter than the second one. Here's what you do. You actually start off by braiding it because you're starting off with 3 strands. Then you do the same concept. Left over, right under, grabbing the middle strand. Left over, right under. And it becomes second nature. And there you have it. That's how you do a 3-strand beautiful tentacle. Now, my next goal is to be able to accomplish a 3-strand flat twist. Let's see if that's even possible. Wish me luck. Make sure you guys subscribe, press the like button, check out my other videos, share, comment, all the above. Until next time.